Hi everyone, it's Dr. Jeff from K Hair's Chiropractic and Wellness Center. Today I want to talk to you again about headaches. We have an upcoming workshop coming up, but one thing that I want to talk about is a tip that you can try is using the supplement magnesium. So it's been found that a lot of people that suffer with migraines or aura or visual or sensory stimulation or have very serious headaches or migraine type headaches are deficient in magnesium. And it's found that magnesium may prevent this wave of brain signaling. And it's called cortical spreading depression. So it's like an altering all the brain waves throughout your brain when you get these headaches. But it's been found that magnesium can help to block the chemical signals of the pain signals that come from that. So you've never tried magnesium, that might be something to try to see that makes a difference for you. I have a lot of patients that know that magnesium have helped them with headaches. You want to be taking somewhere between 200 and 600 milligrams of magnesium. Again, when you're buying your magnesium, please go to a health food store. Not necessarily the pharmacy is going to be your best choice, but go to a health food store, talk to some of them there. They're very knowledgeable. Someone like a quartermaster that's in Wortley Village. They'll be able to give you some good advice, or if you have a naturopath, then talk to them about that for sure, because they'll give you the specifics of which one would be the best quality to be able to take. But if you haven't tried that, try that. If you deal with headaches, if you know someone that deals with headaches, please don't miss our next headache talk. It's starting to fill up quick. That talk is going to be coming up on May 28th. It's at 6:15. It's here in the office. It's completely free of charge. It's just to be able to get some information out there to be able to help you to be able to manage your headaches and some simple lifestyle changes you can do to make that change. So try the magnesium. Let us know if it works. And I'll have the Eventbrite link below to sign up for that talk. If you're interested, please come and I'll share a few more on the next few videos about what's coming up in that talk. Until then, I hope you have a great week and we'll talk to you then.